These affirmations are for you to calm your anxiety and bring peace back into your life. I am safe in this moment. I release all thoughts that do not serve me. I trust the process of life. I have handled difficult things before. I can do it again. I am in control of my breath. With every breath, I feel calmer. With every breath, I feel stronger. I choose peace over worry. I choose faith over fear. I am not my anxious thoughts. I am the calm beneath the storm. This feeling is temporary. It will pass. I am allowed to feel what I feel, and I am allowed to heal. I forgive myself for overthinking. I give myself permission to rest. I am doing the best I can. I am grounded. I am present. I am here, and I am okay. Every moment is a chance to begin again. I am growing even on the hard days. I am loved. I am enough. I am healing. Keep breathing. Keep believing. You are not alone. You've got this. If these affirmations helped you, subscribe to Zingdom for daily calm and strength. You're stronger than you think.